was a strong and friendly fella with the name of Campanella. He was someone special, I could see right off the bat. There was something...
Webcasting from the Little Bell Publishing Studios in Rockton, Illinois, this is The Mortgage Messenger with host Jim Campanella. Welcome to The Mortgage Messenger for this Halloween special edition. It has been some time since my last video podcast, but in honor of the second most popular U.S. holiday, I thought I would dust off the camera and produce this podcast. This podcast is going to be broadcasted at midnight on Halloween. Yes, I know, very spooky. So I thought I would take a moment and give you a little history of Halloween and how it all together ties with the mortgage lending industry. The origins of Halloween are believed to go back to the Celtic ritual of Samhain, which is the festival of a new year. October 31st was the end of their year, the end of the harvest season. November 1st began a new year, their dark time of the year, or winter. Later, it was influenced by the Roman Catholic holiday of November 1st, which was All Hallows Day, which now is called All Saints Day, which of course then made October 31st All Hallows Eve, or now we call it Halloween. Various traditions of Halloween, witches and such, traveled with those who immigrated from Europe, mostly from Ireland, England, and Scotland. It wasn't to the mid to late 1800s that we find the origins of trick-or-treating in the United States. Depending on the mood of America, the culture, costumes ranged from anywhere from scary to political to television and movie icons. Pirates, of course, are a popular theme among costumes. In late 2008, many critics of the mortgage industry viewed loan officers and compared loan officers to pirates. There are even blogs and websites with the names of mortgage pirates or pirates loan officers, so on and so forth, out on the internet. Loan officers have been compared to pirates because they were pillaging homeowners. Of course there are bad loan officers in the industry, but the problems of our economy have more to do with a series of circumstances that came together in 2008 rather than loan officers that were renegade pirates. The first official town celebration of Halloween took place in 1920 in the town of Annika, Minnesota. In 1937, the U.S. Congress officially declared Annika, Minnesota as the Halloween capital of the world. Little tidbit, Annika, Minnesota, which was founded in 1844, has a population of just over 18,000. Of the 269 homes that are currently for sale, 137 of them are in foreclosure. It is believed that the United States carves 1.1 billion pounds of pumpkins each Halloween. If you own a pumpkin, most likely it came from Illinois, where 542 million pounds of pumpkins are grown. California, New York, Ohio each grow 100 million pounds of pumpkins. How does the history of Halloween tie to mortgage lending? Well, right now, working in the mortgage industry is sort of like trick-or-treating. The historic low rates are certainly a treat. Rates are well below 5%, and for those homeowners who have good credit and have equity in their home, or for your first-time buyers who can qualify for a loan, these rates are truly a treat. But with every treat, there comes a trick. And the trick is, of course, that with tighter credit standards and depreciating home values, very few people are qualifying for loans. In 2008, you may have qualified for a home to purchase your first home. Today, because of the higher credit standards, you may no longer qualify. Even though you're making your mortgage payment on time and you're a fantastic homeowner, you may not have enough equity in your house to refinance your home. So it truly is trick-or-treating right now in the mortgage industry. And rates are at all-time lows, but for most loan officers, so are our pipelines, the loans we expect to close. They're at all-time lows. I hope you enjoyed my history of Halloween. Please take a moment and visit my website, www.mortgagemessenger.net, where if you're a future homeowner, you can find some useful information about being a first-time buyer. Or if you're an existing homeowner who's having some financial troubles, you'll find various links where you can possibly get some assistance with your mortgage. Of course, also there's the blog, the Mortgage Messenger blog, that keeps you up to date on various things going on within the industry, as well as helpful tips outside the industry. So until next time, thank you for viewing and happy Halloween.
I can't forget you, Campanella. You're still the MVP within my heart. You're still the MVP within my heart.